Welcome to Jeju Island, a designated UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site that's a popular road trip destination for millions. More than 80% get around the island by car. But all navigations direct you through the fastest route, making you drive through boring streets and highways, like this. So how can we turn car rides into an epic journey? Introducing Slow Road, the beautiful detour map for travelers. It guides you to your destination through the most scenic route instead of the fastest. This is how it works. Go to Slow Road to see routes and waypoints. Then click on the Tmap icon. It will now direct you through landscapes like this. A total of 50 themed routes were created using big data.
우리는 제주 빅데이터 플랫폼에서 10,000개의 POI 정보를 추출, 정리하였습니다.
This was mashed up with data from web portal sites, curated for demographics, weather, time, and more, so that each captures the beauty of Jeju. Slow Road was an ideal way to travel during the pandemic.
Overseas travel was restricted and Korean domestic travelers flooded into Jeju more than ever. Slow Road helped people experience various spots and even reduce traffic congestion.
New alternative routes reinforce social distancing, making Jeju safer yet more enjoyable.
진짜 이런 데가 있는 줄도 몰랐네. 그러니까 나도.
내려가는 게 보인다.
I think we need this kind of application everywhere in the world.
슬로우 로드 진짜 강추합니다.
이게 여행의 묘미 아니겠어요?
The beautiful detour map for travelers. Slow Road.